we'll begin by getting our cupcakes ready. Now take the zest from one whole lemon. You're going to need 1 stick of butter. As you can see, it's not too cold and it's not too soft. You want it at room temperature. And again, that's 1 stick of butter. You want to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. You want to add the zest that we got from the lemon. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of pure vegetable oil. Okay, now we're going to mix this on high until nice and creamy. It should look like that, nice and creamy. So now we're going to begin to add our 2 eggs one at a time, just until it's combined. Okay, so we're going to put this aside because now we're going to do the rest by hand. Okay, now I have 1 cup of sour cream. Okay guys, and here are our delicious cupcake. You're actually going to be able to do about 1.5 dozen with that batter. And I wanted, they're a little cooler now, but I wanted to show you how wonderful moist. They are very moist. They're a little crunchy on the top, but look at that bottom. Look at that inner side. That is amazing. And they taste fantastic, guys. Go ahead and make them. I know you're gonna enjoy it. Thanks for watching.